Most people think that when they accept Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior, that everything's going to be great. No, it's not. I want to tell you the truth. When you accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, your life's going to get worse. But this time, you ain't going to do it alone. Because Jesus knows the right way to do it.
Take your time, sister. Sing it for somebody.
Deliver me.
Rescue me from myself.
'Cause all I seem to do is hurt me.
Anybody overthink a lot, that hurts you.
Hurt me.
That's right. Now let's take it up and cry out. Say, yes, sir.
Deliver me.
Take it.
Deliver me. What? 'Cause all I seem to do is hurt me.
Rescue me from myself, God.
Hurt me.
Tri-City in my background sing. Who are called by my name. All right, this is it. I'm gonna let you take it out, Leandria. Go ahead and talk to me.
In Las Vegas, I went to Las Vegas, I started serving in ministry. I didn't plan to change, but I was so used to going to church. Then when I went to church, all of a sudden I got saved. I'm high off of meth in the altar call, crying to the Lord, telling him, Lord, I need help. I'm tired of living this life. I'm tired of lying to myself. I'm looking for love and hope in the wrong places. I'm looking for love and hope to drugs. I'm thinking that drugs are going to fill this void inside of my spirit, but it was only satisfying my flesh on the outside. So I thought if I changed my scenery, that I would feel better. It got worse. Until one day the Lord said, are you done? Are you done? I'm trying to use you. You're the one who keeps setting yourself for failure. You're the one that keeps tying yourself up to bondage. I'm trying to set you free, but you keep tying yourself back to bondage. And so today the skit was literally not just about the birth of Jesus. It was the reason why Jesus came. We're so conditioned and we're so used to doing tradition on talking about the birth of Jesus, but why did he come? He came to set us free. That's how we love it. Come to church, chained, in bondage. But I know someone that died 2,000 years ago, who took the same position and what he came to do was to set us free from every chain,
Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine. Heir of salvation, purchased of God, born of His Spirit. Oh, I'm washed in His blood.